Hello everyone, this is Susri Satarupa. I have been allotted with question number 95 of chapter number 5 from the book Engineering Mechanics Dynamics by Merriam and Kress. This is what the question looks like. For the instant represented, when crank OA passes the horizontal position, determine the velocity of the center G of link AB by the method of this article. We can see there are two rods attached at point A. At this instant, the omega of AO is given as 8 radian per second, and we have to find the velocity at point G. Now we shall proceed to the solution. We are given that length of AO is 0.06 meter, length of AB is 0.01 meter, and the angle phi here is equal to sine inverse of 90 by 180, which equals to 30 degree. We are given that omega of AO is 8 radian per second. We can calculate the velocity at the point A by multiplying omega of AO and radius of AO, which is equal to 8 into 0.06, which is equal to 0.48 meter per second. Velocity of A is also equal to omega AB into radius AB, which is equal to 0.48 meter per second. To calculate velocity at G, we need to calculate omega of AB and radius of CG. So we shall proceed with omega of AB. Omega AB is equal to velocity of A divided by radius of AB. Velocity of A can be found out by multiplying omega of AO into radius of AO. So we shall get 8 into 0.06 divided by 0.18 into cos 30. We get this 0.18 into cos 30 from here. This is the radius. As this is the velocity of A, the radius is given by 0.18 into cos 30, from which we get omega AB equals to 3.0792 radian per second. Velocity Vg is equal to omega AB into RCG, which is equal to 3.0792 into RCG. So we shall now proceed to find out radius CG. Extend the line OA and draw a perpendicular from B. We shall meet at a point and we will name that point as point C. With respect to the point C, we are calculating velocity at B, velocity at Vg, and velocity at A. We need to calculate what is radius of CG. So how will we get radius of CG? We can get radius of CG from the triangle formula. Point B, C and G forms a triangle. We know the length of BG, which is 0.09 meter. We know the length BC, which is 0.09 meter. So we can put the formula as RCB whole square plus BG whole square minus 2 into RCB into 0.09 cos 60 root over, and we get RCG as 0.09 meter. As we had already calculated that Vg is equal to 3.0792 into RCG. Now we can put the value of RCG as 0.09 and we get the answer to be 0.2768 meter per second. Thank you.